Good evening, and welcome to Adam Rose YouTube update. Yes, you're welcome to it. Yeah, that's C keyword. This is a die, a normal die. I'm pretending it's alive. Anyway, we're telling you today about a different story. Oh, are you gonna tell them what I just said? No. See. All right, here's the story. They Rim. In the outback, as rebel forces continue to fight amongst themselves. First one side seems to be winning, yes, and then the other side, right, and then the other side gets on top. Thank you. Casualties have been very heavy. Oh, and strong ties between the two factions. And strong ties between the two factions have been currently cut. Eyebrows were raised today at the stock market, where priceless antique wands came under the hammer. Rumors of a cover-up at the stock market wood for his family there. We're on time low. Was searched for a missing man sent by a police to be dangerous and more than a little screwy. The man was known as the inventor of the thief pasta toaster. Next we have Paul Fashion. A grade 6 was attacked today by a bad suited man. Really? We must find him.